So picking up where we left off in advanced settings, if you click toward the diodes one time, you will see the words default timer. I'm going to discuss the first three advanced settings right now. The default timer, you would set it up if you wanted to make sure that the device would turn off and not run past a given number of minutes. Right now, if I click the red button, it says disabled. And the way you change it is to click the down arrow, and it goes in 1 minute increments. Say you wanted it to turn off after 5 minutes. This is where you would set that up. I personally leave it disabled because I've been using these devices a long time and I kind of freewheel it with it. So I'm going to leave mine on disabled, but that's where you would change yours if you wanted it to turn off. The next thing you would see is default dose, and that is the same idea, but it turns it off at a certain number of joules. Joules would be for the researchers. That is how the energy that is coming out of the device is measured, and you do see that on the screen, by the way, when you do have the device on. But I leave mine disabled. If you were researching and you wanted it to turn off after 100 joules, this is where you would set it. And last but not least, there's a beam reminder. I personally like to use this, and I set it to be reminded that it's been on 30 seconds at a time. So if you click right to get into the beam reminder folder, the first thing you'll see, it says on joules. So you could remind yourself when it hits 50 joules that it's been on for 50 joules. I like to do mine on seconds. And so the way you adjust that is you press the red button. Right now it says disabled, and I'm going to click down. It goes in 5-second increments until I see 30 seconds. And then if I click the red button, that saves that preference. And then I go back toward the charging diodes to get back to that beam reminder spot. In the next video, we'll continue with our advanced settings.